All right, good morning. I just wanted to let you know what my morning routine is. I typically do a juice, or I might take some vegetables and stir fry them with some tofu, make my own tofu scramble. But today I'm going to be making a carrot, green apple, ginger, and lime juice. And I'll make enough to last me until tomorrow or the day after. And okay, so here we go. A little bit tough to see with my camera, but I just wanted to show you. I typically get organic carrots and I do organic apples, and the reason why I do that is because I think it tastes better. And I use the skins. This is actually a lime, but I kept it too long, but I'm still going to use it. So I do organic limes typically because I'm going to use all of the skin in my juice. And then of course we have some lovely ginger, and I just get the ginger. All right, so let's start. All right, so with my carrots, I just rinse them off. I do take off the tops of them, but I use them, I don't need to peel them or anything. They're gonna go through my, this is a slow juicer, and this juicer is Haram, and it is a Japanese juicer. I love it. I've had it for years. So because it's a slow juicer, I have to cut my carrots, and I just make them smaller because it's easier for it to go into the juicer. So I'll be cutting these, and then I will, of course, I'll cut all of these up, and then I just go and I take my apple pits and all. I put it in the juicer. So those will be sliced, and I'll have a huge pile in just a moment. But with my limes, what I do is I just cut off the butt, and then I just quarter it. And this is going to go into the juicer as well. There's a lot of vitamins, a lot of nutrients in the skin, so I use that. And then with my ginger, I like ginger, so I just take a good, they call it a knuckle, but I take a good piece of it. Okay, so now we're ready to start. I've got everything cut up. You know, some people complain, oh my God, I don't have time and it takes so long to cut up my vegetables. Well, you know what? I think you're goddamn lazy. Take 10 minutes out of your day, get up 10 minutes earlier, and make your juice. You're going to be much happier and healthier for it. Just saying. Okay, so I'm going to turn on my juicer, and we're going to get started. And then I will turn this off, and you'll see how much I get from all of this. Super easy. And this is a slow juicer, okay? I do my juiciest first, just to get it a little lubricated. My whole lime, skin and all, that goes in. And then I feed in my carrots. And I just alternate. Doesn't take that long. My ginger, I don't do anything. I leave the skin on and everything. Ginger goes in. A lot of times what I'll do, as the pulp comes out of this end, I'll save it for soups, for crackers, things like that. So I'm almost done. Can you see how much I have? I'm going to, you want another one, Lily? There you go. My dog's getting healthy too. All right. So that didn't take long at all, and I'll show you the end result. Here we are. Okay, so I use this. It's a canning jar. I have lids. You can get them at the hardware store, and I just want to show you, here's all the pulp. Now, I have some saved in the freezer for my soups and whatnot, and my crackers, and sometimes when I do my almond zucchini bread. But what I'm going to do, and everyone should have one of these, is your green bin, okay? You want to be able to put this in with your green compostables. All right, so that's taken care of. And then look how much I have. I'm going to show you. Look at that. That's a ton. Alrighty, so we're finished. And here is the finished product. So I already had some carrot juice, but I'm gonna have some more. I had a full cup. I'm gonna drink this. It's delicious. Now I like things a little bit tart, so I don't use a lot of apples. If you want it a little bit sweeter, use some more apples, but look at this. I've already had about a cup and a half, and I have this. This is good for probably another two and a half cups. And then I've saved my pulp, because I can take the pulp and I can put I can put raisins in there, maybe some toasted almonds and some cinnamon, and it makes a wonderful side salad, or you can make a pate out of this. So there you have it. That is my juicing for today. And no excuses. Maybe you want to do a challenge on juicing and just do one juice a day. But I can tell you, with all of this, I think that I have spent maybe $2.50, something like that, in order to have my juice for the next 2 days. So think about that the next time that you go to one of those juicing places and pay almost $8 for an 8-ounce cup. All right, so I hope you have a good day. Be happy and be healthy.